In today's marketplace, woodworking has evolved from a hobby into a viable business opportunity, particularly for those who embrace the beauty of old wood, reclaimed materials, and organic sources. As consumers increasingly prioritize sustainability and craftsmanship, the demand for unique, handcrafted products is on a rise. By utilizing reclaimed wood, artisans not only breathe new life into discarded materials, but also create pieces that resonate with buyers seeking authenticity and character. The stories embedded in these materials enhance their appeal, making them highly sought after in a world that values both aesthetics and environmental responsibility. Moreover, the use of organic wood, sourced from sustainably managed forests, positions woodworkers to meet the growing demand for safe and eco-friendly products. Consumers are becoming more discerning about their choices, favoring items that align with their values of health and sustainability. By focusing on high-quality, organic materials, woodworkers can elevate their creations and build a brand that reflects their commitment to the environment. As you explore must-try woodworking ideas, consider how these principles can guide your crafting journey, transforming your passion into a profitable venture that not only showcases your skills, but also contributes positively to the world. In the evolving world of woodworking, artisans are discovering that turning a passion into a profitable business is more attainable than ever. As consumers increasingly seek unique, handcrafted items, the demand for high-quality woodworking projects is on a rise. By utilizing old, reclaimed, and organic wood, woodworkers can create stunning pieces that not only appeal to buyers, but also promote sustainability and environmental responsibility. This focus on eco-friendly materials can significantly enhance the value of your creations, making them more attractive to a growing market of conscious consumers. Using reclaimed wood is particularly appealing, as it carries a rich history and character that new wood often lacks. Each piece tells a story, providing an emotional connection that resonates with customers. Artisans who embrace this material can create one-of-a-kind items that stand out in a crowded marketplace. The process of repurposing discarded wood not only minimizes waste, but also adds a unique charm to each creation, making reclaimed wood a powerful resource for any woodworking business. Organic wood, sourced from sustainably managed forests, is another excellent option for woodworkers looking to craft for profit. Consumers are increasingly aware of the materials used in their homes and are drawn to products that are free from harmful chemicals and toxins. By using organic wood, artisans can assure buyers of the safety and quality of their creations. This commitment to natural materials can enhance brand reputation, attracting a loyal customer base that values health and sustainability. As woodworkers explore high-demand ideas, it's essential to stay informed about current market trends. Understanding what styles and functionalities resonate with consumers can guide artisans in selecting projects that are more likely to sell. Researching popular designs and finishes allows woodworkers to align their creations with consumer preferences, ensuring they remain competitive in the marketplace. Keeping a pulse on trends helps artisans innovate and adapt, leading to greater success. Marketing strategies also play a crucial role in the profitability of woodworking projects. Crafting a compelling narrative around your work can significantly enhance its appeal. Sharing the stories behind your use of reclaimed or organic wood can create a deeper connection with potential buyers. Artisans who effectively communicate their passion, process, and commitment to sustainability can foster trust and loyalty among their audience, making them more likely to invest in your creations. Building an online presence is vital for modern woodworking businesses. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase projects, share behind-the-scenes content, and engage with customers can dramatically increase visibility. High-quality images and engaging descriptions can draw in potential buyers, creating interest in your work. Regularly updating your audience with new projects and insights not only builds a community around your brand, but also keeps customers coming back for more. Collaboration within the woodworking community can also open new avenues for profit. Partnering with other artisans or local businesses can expand your reach and introduce your work to new audiences. Collaborative projects often yield unique offerings that can capture consumer interest, resulting in increased sales. Networking with fellow woodworkers can lead to valuable insights and opportunities that help elevate your business. Establishing a solid pricing strategy is crucial for ensuring profitability. Woodworkers must carefully consider the cost of materials, labor, and overhead when determining prices. Striking a balance between affordability for customers and fair compensation for craftsmanship is essential. Transparent pricing that reflects the quality and uniqueness of your work fosters trust and encourages repeat business. Diversification of product offerings can also help woodworkers tap into different market segments. Experimenting with various styles, finishes, and applications allows artisans to cater to a broader audience and increase their chances of making sales. This adaptability ensures that your creations remain relevant and in demand, giving you a competitive edge in the woodworking market. Embracing new techniques and technologies can keep woodworkers at the forefront of their craft. The integration of tools like CNC machines and laser cutters can enhance both creativity and efficiency. By adopting innovative methods, artisans can create intricate designs that push the boundaries of traditional woodworking, leading to exciting new products that capture consumer interest. Ultimately, crafting for profit is not just about making money. It's about building a brand that reflects your passion and commitment to quality. By focusing on high-demand woodworking ideas and leveraging the unique qualities of old, reclaimed, and organic wood, artisans can create pieces that resonate with consumers and stand the test of time. Through dedication and creativity, woodworkers can transform their workshops into thriving businesses that generate income while also contributing positively to the environment. If you're inspired by the potential of woodworking and want to turn your passion into a profitable business, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights on crafting with old, reclaimed, and organic wood. Join our community of artisans dedicated to creating sustainable and unique pieces that resonate with today's eco-conscious consumers. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow woodworkers who are eager to explore innovative ideas and elevate their crafting skills. Together, we can celebrate the art of woodworking while promoting sustainability and creativity in our businesses.